2 million years ago, the Pleistocene East African savanna was a realm of unforgiving extremes. For early humans, water was life, but also a deadly trap. Even for an alpha Homo habilis, the leader of the tribe, approaching these murky waters required primal caution. Every shadow could conceal ancient death. Just beneath the surface, a prehistoric giant swamp python lies in perfect ambush. It relies not on venom, but on raw, crushing muscular power. The sheer force of the strike instantly knocks the breath from the alpha's lungs. Pinned in the thick mud, he is quickly ensnared by massive coils. With every desperate exhale the alpha makes, the python tightens its grip. It is a swift and terrifying biological suffocation. The invincible protector is dragged into the suffocating depths. He has fallen to a predator that has perfected its craft over millions of years. The victor hauls the lifeless body onto the muddy bank, beginning the process of swallowing him whole. But this event will not go unanswered. He brings it to the water's edge to swallow, and the python devours the guard. A terrified young scout runs off to warn the tribe, triggering a series of collective actions. The greatest weapon of early humans was their tribal bond. Rallying together, the warriors launch a coordinated assault against the massive reptile. A final, decisive strike ends the prehistoric monster's reign. Now the tribe races against time to save their leader. The warriors quickly slice open the snake's belly to reclaim their leader, extracting his body onto the mud. Alpha is completely unresponsive. How did they understand death in that era? The sudden drop of the raised arm reveals a deep and heavy weight of lifeless matter. There is absolute silence in the chest that is not breathing. Opening a blank stare doesn't trigger any blinking reflex, which confirms that the brain has ceased functioning. The flies landing on the face are an undeniable announcement of death. The second in command takes up the ancestral stone axe, silently assuming leadership. In the savanna, grief is a luxury they cannot afford. Knowing the scent of blood draws lethal scavengers, the tribe carries the body away, leaving it under a dead acacia tree for survival. As dusk fades into the cold moonlight, the brutal and endless cycle of the food chain reclaims the fallen alpha. By morning, only sun-bleached bones remain a harsh and stark reminder of the fragile balance of Pleistocene lifestyle. As the blood of the past is washed away in the fresh stream, the tribe moves forward under a new alpha. They were small and vulnerable, but through collective intelligence and unyielding resilience, they remained the ultimate survivors,